last year was amazing. I was in the boat of the first year, this time last year. I didn't know where we were going. And in Cambodia, we were able to do some really awesome ministries. We went out to the villages and we did dramas for the people out in the villages, and like most of them had never even heard of Jesus. And probably the most impactful thing we did in Cambodia last year was we were able to build a woman a house for $200. I didn't even know we were going to another country, but we ended up going to Thailand. Thailand's actually the #1 place for prostitution, and so we were able to do something about that. We worked with an organization that helped girls get out of that lifestyle, taught some life skills and classes, and they were, learned about Jesus and everything like that. And so we worked with those girls, and those girls that had been delivered from that lifestyle actually went with us. We went down to the red light district in Bangkok, Thailand, and we actually purchased these women and brought them back to have a night of refuge. We would have a party, and it was a really, really amazing experience. And we had tea, and we had cake and coffee, and we had music, we had a DJ, we danced, we just had a good time. We played musical chairs, which they absolutely loved. So we gave these girls a night of rest and a night of fun. A lot of them were like mothers who had lost their husbands or their fathers, and they just didn't know how else to provide for their families. So we were able to give them a way out.
This January is our mystery trip, and I'm super excited. I don't know where we're going. This girl does, but she's not going to tell me, and I can't wait.